Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me to introduce myself. My name is Ramji Fadil Ajhar. Here I am serving as a tour guide for the pilgrim who will go for Hajj. The first is Ihram. Ihram is the intention to perform Hajj and Umrah simultaneously from each place of origin. The following are things that must be prepared by the congregation before the first ihram is shaving body hair, such as cutting nails and shaving beard, armpit hair and pubic hair. After that, take a bath and clean yourself. Apply fragrance to the body, wear a white ihram cloth, read the intention of Hajj and Umrah circumcision prayer. Hajj is performed on the 8th of Zulhijjah after Ihram and preparation. All worshippers went to the Mina and spent 2 nights there while waiting for the time for wukuf in the Arafah field. While at the Mina, the worshippers were encouraged to do more prayer, zikir, istighfar, talbiyah, tafakur, and reading the Quran. After the Fajr prayer on the 9th of Zulhijjah, the congregation departed for the Arafah field to perform wukuf. Wukuf, which meant contemplating or secluded themselves in the Arafah field. The congregation is also encouraged to pray, zikir, istighfar, talbiyah, tafakur, and reading Al-Quran. After that, the congregation can perform the Qasr prayer first and do it at the time of Zuhur. After sunset, the congregation leaves the Arafah field. After the morning prayer, the congregation leaves Muzdalifah to perform the pilgrimage. While the pilgrims are at peace to take Publish this is done at the time of Hajj, namely throwing pebbles 7 times at the wall after performing the pilgrim. The congregation continues tahallul or shave their hair. Male worshippers are required to shave their hair first, while female pilgrims are not required to carry out tahallul. Then proceeds again to Mecca to perform tawaf that revolves around the Ka'bah 7 times, where the Ka'bah must be on our left, which then continued with the sunnah prayer of 2 rakaat at Ibrahim grave. After that was continued by drinking Jam-Jam water in the place provided. Then the congregation goes to the hill of Safa Marwah to do sa'i. Sa'i, that is walking from hill Safa to hill Marwah and vice versa 7 times. After carrying out the sa'i, the congregation returned to Mina for the night. On the 11th of Zulhijjah, after performing the morning prayer, the pilgrim returned to perform the Jumrah. There were 3 kinds of Jumrah that had to be performed. The first was Ula Jumrah, the second was Wusta Jumrah, and the third was Aqabah Jumrah. After performing the third Jumrah, the congregation returned to Mina for another night. On the 12th of Zulhijjah, the congregation returned to perform Ula Jumrah, Wusta Jumrah, and Aqabah Jumrah, which is then continued with a trip to Mecca to carry out Wada Tawaf. Wada Tawaf is tawaf that is carried out before returning to their respective countries, or often referred to as farewell tawaf. Tawaf Wada is the final process of Hajj.